lived-in apartment tour. I live in a one-bedroom apartment in the city beautiful, downtown Orlando. Our apartment complex backs up to a gorgeous park equipped with a lake, plenty of relaxing fields for relaxing in, and of course, plenty of flora and fauna to examine. And while I generally feel rather safe living here, sometimes the local wildlife may ask you for money or bite you, depending on which order you approach them. Upon entering the apartment, you're greeted with the kitchen on the right-hand side. You can tell we actually cook in here because the stovetop is dirty, and there are dishes still yet to be done. We really like our spices, so we hang them on the wall like the work of art that they are. The refrigerator is replete with mementos, photographs, inspirational quotes, and of course, the takeout menu. It is topped high with decadent snacks of all varieties, as any good refrigerator should be. The kitchen leads directly into the living room, which is a fantastic layout, as you can yell at the person playing Xbox to turn it down whilst you're making dinner. The open area off the living room is a great place for our dining table, which we never use, and a bar cart, which never remains stocked. We really do have the best view in the city here of people eating frozen yogurt and struggling to parallel park. You can tell that we're well read based on the sheer volume of books we own and the amount of dust that they've collected. And now for where the magic happens. That's something people say, right? Yes, this is the bedroom. It contains every item a bedroom should contain, such as an oversized fake houseplant, a furniture painting project that has gone on for far too long, and a large desk crammed into the corner. Tell me you stream without telling me you stream. From the bedroom, we lead into the closet, which is also the laundry room, and also leads into the bathroom. And oh my goodness, we installed the brightest bulbs we could so that when you wake up early on a Sunday morning, you blind yourself whilst you're getting ready for work. We still haven't learned how to clean our mirror or how to brush our teeth without splattering toothpaste onto it. So that's our apartment. It's absolutely perfect, as you can tell, from the bowl of root vegetables to the random glass figurines to the TV so large it'll give you a tan. It is home. Now leave.